What's up, guys? Ghost here in this. What? We're putting on exhaust on Will's car, the M37. You guys have probably seen this before.
Hey Preston, can you plug that light?
Oh, my light's on. There we go. But yeah, we got the Stillen Exhaust with the Megan Race for my pipe. This is the old one. Rusty, crusty, dusty. Yeah, we got Preston and Will here. Got the whole sockets in the back of there. Got Will going on the car right now.
Here, start sliding that shit back.
Alright, Bob,
So we are currently ugga-dugging under
I'm
there.
not spinning both.
We got the half the pipes on. The rest of it is that and the mufflers over there. Yeah, we're gonna start it up and see how it sounds with just those, you know.
I think you should keep.
We gotta make sure nothing's leaking.
All right, here we go. We're starting it. Dang! Straight out the pipes. Starting with the Stillen on right now. Woo! They sound good though. Sounds really good.
Dude, my girlfriend calls me at the worst time.
All right. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Do it again. Do more.
Huh?